In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear outside door handle on this Honda Odyssey. Let's get into it. We're going to take this inner handle off. You're going to need a window crank tool or a clip tool that looks like this. You go in behind the handle with the clip out and just grab the handle. You can take the tool out and it slides right off. Here's the clip right here. You can slide that into the handle, just like that. Now with the trim tool, I'm going to go around the perimeter of the door panel. You might need a couple trim tools. And just pop it out. Take this trim piece off right here. Just get in behind here with the trim tool. Just pry out. You just kind of peel it up a little bit. Disconnect the switch for the window switch. Then you can slide the panel out. Now we're going to take this assembly out of the way. There's 4 bolts. There, and there, and there. Using a 10mm socket, take those bolts out. And just grab this piece and we'll just slide this out of our way. If you want to, you can pop this wire retainer out a little bit. Just use a trim tool just to be able to slide it a little bit further away. And just pop that out. Just slide that to the side. Then you have a cover right here. We can pop this out, use a trim tool. We need to take this cable off from inside here. There should be a little clip right here, a little plastic clip. You can use some needle nose pliers and try to take that off. And then this cable should pop off like that. There's a retainer at the top that you need to slide back. You can use a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Just like that. And then this should pop out. Should be able to pop the cable off. There's a bolt right here we need to remove. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen that up, take that out. This little metal bracket will come off. Just slide that off, just like that. Now we're going to pop this cover off. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Slide that off. You can see there's a bolt in there. Use a 10mm socket, take that bolt out, and pull that bolt out. With that bolt out, there's a bracket right here. You just want to grab that, slide that out. And from the outside, grab the handle. And it slides out. It slips out like that. Now slide the handle in, just like that. And this side you might have to pull the handle out a little bit. Get that in, get that lined up, just like that. Now we're going to install the bracket, slide that in, get that lined up, just like that, and slide the bolt through the bracket and get that started. Now I'm just going to take the retainer off this cable. You can just pop it out with a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop those to the side. Now this is going to pop in here first, right there. Push that in. Then the cable can go in and lock that down. And put the bottom part in the bracket. Just lock that down. And then if you have that clip, you want to put that clip on, and that's going to secure right there. Now take this bracket, we'll slide this over the back part of the handle. Just like that. And then take the bolt, get the bolt started, And you want to snug that up. Now you can put this cover on right here. Just pop that in place. Now put this cover on, line that up. Slide this bracket in place. There's a little tab right here that goes in the slot. And take all the screws, get those started. And once they're all started, then you can tighten those down. Take this wire that you popped out, push that back in place. Now we'll get this panel lined up. Remember, we're going to connect this connector underneath here. So get that in the area right there. Line the connector up, lock it in place. Now take the top part of the door panel, slide that in, and just line the top up. That lined up, then you can push all the push pins in. All right, those are all the way in. Now take this cover, line this up, push that in. Now take the handle, line it up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.